I'm a black tranny god.
Yeah?
That's what I identify as. But actually, I'm the base god.
Here, John, why don't we come outside?
Yeah, let's go on.
Come on, I'm gonna take you with me.
Seeing as though I am a back the blue kind of girl and hate woke idiots, you already know I just like, I can't wait for this one. And I have a New York City cop with me to dissect this all. But just wait, because since we know these people are fucking around, we also know they're about to find out.
I'm on the phone with your police department right now. You can't pull me over when my car's off.
Yeah, I can, because I got you speeding before you were stopped, so.
You should have had your lights on. You can't have your lights on and pull me over after. You have a cop right here trying to pull me over when my car's off and I've been parked out parking in front. That's illegal and you can't do that. I don't feel comfortable. I don't feel safe.
Funny thing about these leftists is they always think that they know the law more than the people who are enforcing it for, you know, a living. But they want to change the laws without actually knowing them. They want no cops, right? They're all abolish the cops. But of course, the first thing that they do when they're in trouble is call 911.
Oh, no, I can call 911 if it's a emergency. Do you know what the that means? Yeah, this is a emergency!
This is what happens when you allow people who, you know, are able to drive, have a car, think that they don't have to follow the rules. You know, the people that are actually privileged. This is what happens when you change the meaning of words. Bitch, you are not the one being harassed. You are the one doing the harassing. Just because you don't like being pulled over and having a light shined in your face is not harassment. And also, that is 100% not an emergency. You thinking that it is privilege.
Hey, won't leave me the alone!
And there's the homophobia.
I got some white privilege signing the light in my window. Die! Get the away from me! Get away from me!
You screaming at me is not gonna solve anything right now.
Why are you down to the naked stick? Get the away from me!
Are you threatening me now?
I looked into this, and at first they actually only gave her a ticket, but since she, you know, kept on keeping on doing dumb shit, this is what happened next.
That can leave the scene without a turn signal. Give him a ticket!
Do you need an ambulance?
He doesn't have a turn signal. Give him a ticket!
Get this bitch some help.
Anything else we can help you with tonight?
Yeah, giving him a ticket! Why the doesn't he get a ticket?
Then when this person goes in to file a complaint as if she's the one that's supposed to be doing this, the intelligent officers use this to their advantage. The door's locked up.
Okay,
You fell for it, you stupid bitch. You dumbass. Okay. There, and there it is. She got jail time for filing a false 911 report, 24 months probation, and a $3,000 fine. But the pro-Palestinian protesters are some of the craziest I've ever seen.
Pro-Palestinian protesters in the New Mexico State University.
What are they protesting?
Wow.
Palestinian? Yeah.
This is a normal reaction to genocide, you freak!
You're strong!
Don't keep anyone safe!
Not shocked that it's at a university campus. And I am not shocked that all of them are wearing masks, even though, or more often than not, they're wearing masks, and that it is 2024. This was just last year. I'm sure peacefully protesting, bitch.
So they're arrested right now? So they're gonna leave. I'm not arrested.
I have a question. How does the cop that is working and living in the United States of America have anything to do with standing for genocide or standing on the side of genocide? This just shows that the people that hate the cops don't hate the cops for what they're actually doing. They hate supposed white supremacy. They hate supposed oppression. They hate the West. Once again, this all comes down to believing in systemic racism in the United States anyway, and the oppressed versus the oppressor. If you're a cop, you're an oppressor. If you're a Palestinian, you're the oppressed. In these people's fucking crazy minds, it doesn't even matter if you are a cop on the opposite side of the world, on another continent. Somehow you are still complicit in genocide. It's a complete black and white thinking, which is hilarious for a supposed community or side that's tolerant of every color of the fucking rainbow. It's never about the individual, it is about the system that is above it.
No.
Hey, you are one of us, dude. All of you stand on the side of genocide and white supremacy.
Oh, white
Do you hear me? Look
supremacy.
at me, Becca. The Palestinians look just like you! They look just like me! Who are you defending? You're defending an institution that promotes genocide! Shame on you! All of you! Shame on you!
The funny thing is, if you listen to what they're saying, they tell you exactly what they think. You're defending an institution that stands on white supremacy. I don't understand, by following the law in the United States?
Get your job. You're a student.
Get a real job. Okay, there it is. There it is. You are protecting the wealthy class. Listen, bitch, you are the wealthy class, which is why you hate yourself so much. Like, if you live in America, you almost never see anyone that's actually poor at these protests. Do you know why? Because they're working their 9 to 5s. They're working their fucking jobs. And here come the arrests.
With criminal trespass and resisting/obstructing.
Step out of the car. Step out. Because I asked you to. Yes.
For what?
Step out.
No.
You want to get locked up?
For what?
Right now, you're resisting.
For
I
what?
asked you to step
You said
out.
I'm detained, but you never gave me a reason. You pulled me over, then you honked your siren because I'm backing up. Did you want me to stop on the side of the road? No, we're not doing that.
Step
We're
out.
not doing that.
Step out.
First of
We're
all,
done.
calm me the down because we're not doing
I asked you to step out.
Let's see what my friend Zeke, who's a New York City cop, has to say about this all.
This is funny because you know that cop was pissed. He just jumped straight out the car. He didn't try to do his checks ahead of time. He didn't try to observe the car.
No, get your supervisor.
Sorry, Francis. I know you're here. You
Because you got the right one. Hey, Siri, call phone. Make sure I have my lawyer on the phone.
That's fine.
Yeah, it is fine.
Okay.
I don't know why it wouldn't be.
This is usually what happens when you try to either take off on the cop or you try to drive and pretend you don't see the cop behind you, or you're trying to point to the cop to try to dictate where they're going to go and where you're going to go. None of that's going to be successful. None of that's going to happen. All you're doing is pissing the cop off. And that cop, when you look at him, was pissed. You can hear it in his voice. He had already made up his mind. This woman is going to jail.
When I partner gets you,
I would like for your supervisor to come. Once your supervisor comes, I will listen to him or her or it or whatever they pronouns are.
When did this whole "I want to speak to your supervisor" thing happen? This isn't Best Buy. I need to speak to your supervisor. No. What do you think the supervisor is going to say when he gets there? Oh, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and override what this cop did. No, that's not going to happen. You're going to jail. The supervisor is just there to kind of go, yeah, all right, yeah, I'm officially, formally watching you go to jail.
When my backup officer gets here, I'm going to pull you out and I'll put you in handcuffs.
And then when you put your hands on me, I'm going to make sure it's recorded.
It's
going to
recorded.
cameras on yeah, cops love to turn their cameras on when it's beneficial for them.
Listen. So the reason I stopped you, multiple unsafe lane changes, no turn signal.
Oh, that's a
Your
lot.
tag is also suspended for no insurance. So your vehicle will be towed today.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Good.
So you want to step out?
Oh, I'm having fun with you in court, baby. We're going to have a day.
Okay. Well, that's all right. It's all this going on
That's
camera.
awesome. I love that for us.
Okay. So
how's your day going other than this?
well, I'd rather not be dealing with this right now.
Me too.
I don't know why these people think that they're going to go there and start trying to dictate to the cops what's going to happen and what's going to happen next, and, you know, the order of things that are going to happen. And then multiple cops show up. Once those extra cops show up, you just go ahead. You cancel whatever plans you have for the rest of the day, which all could have been avoided if you had just been a decent human being. But you decided to try to be difficult to the cop, to the person who is legally detaining you and legally can order you out of your car. I think it's Pennsylvania versus Mims. He can order you out of your car. And now you're going to jail.
Listen,
I said I'll wait.
Listen, I give you every opportunity.
I give you
every opportunity.
And I stated to you, I'm going to wait till your friends come. Don't touch me, and I'll get out.
I like how this lady keeps trying to threaten the cop with court. Like the cop hasn't been to court before. Like the cop is afraid of going to court. Every cop has gone to court. Every cop has had to testify. This is not going to be your first, and it's not going to be your last. And you keep threatening to sue the cop. And it's going to happen. But your lawsuit is going to get thrown out because of the body cam. The body cam shows you being obnoxious. The body cam shows you being a jerk. So I don't know what you thought was going to happen, but whatever's going on in your mind, I guarantee you, in reality, that's not going to happen. All you're going to do is lose money. And now your criminal conviction, because you were taken to jail, is going to stick.
My favorite clip of all of these, by the way, is the next one.
I'm a black tranny god.
Yeah?
That's what I identify as. But that's I'm the base god.
Here, John, why don't we come outside?
Yeah, let's go on.
Come on, I'm going to take you with me. Right now, John. You need to go.
I'm Teresa.
I see you
not
starting
John.
to
Remember,
smile.
I got my transgender changed 3 months ago. I'm Teresa.
Sean.
Don't be a transphobe.
John, you do need to come with us. Okay?
Yeah, we're good.
Okay. So, right now, you don't have much of a choice.
What are my choices?
Your choices are to come with us,
Or go where else?
depending on how the interaction goes, to jail. But I don't want to bring you to jail.
But if I'm in jail. Oh, actually, I'm under house arrest. I can't leave, honey.
This fake trans person is on house arrest. Like, I would bet money. I would bet money that this person did some crazy ass shit, got caught, and is now changing his identity because of it all.
I'm a female lady, okay? I don't like being this close to
Got the
men.
paperwork right here.
Well, you can go that way.
Alright,
There's somebody right
so this officer has the paperwork, okay? And he'll explain the paperwork to you.
Well, this here tells us to bring you, all right, John Michael Johnson.
That's not me. That's sir. I am Teresa.
Sir, I am Teresa.
Right now, you're not being really cooperative with us.
I do not consent to being taken. Do
Okay.
you not understand what being taken is?
I know.
So I don't consent to being taken.
Okay, so John, you're coming with us.
I don't ejaculate on cops.
That's good. I'm glad.
Whoop, whoop, tranny, whoop, whoop, thank you, sis.
This is not normal behavior. Okay, like, listen, I have been high many times in my life, okay? Literally pretty much almost every night to help me go to sleep, to help me with my back pain. This is not a symptom of weed. This might be psychosis. This might be narcissism. This might be a symptom of like victimhood syndrome. Just basically you did some dumb shit, you got caught, and now you're pulling the trans victim card, so, you know, so you can get away with shit, and once again, you got caught. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, though. Are these people the actually privileged people? Are they just so brainwashed that they have no idea, like, what is reality? Like, who's in the right and who's in the wrong? Do they have no morals? Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Go and check out Zeke. I'll have his link in the description below. He's an awesome cop. And I will see you guys back here in a few days with a brand new video. Make sure to subscribe. I have a ton of content coming out. One involves somebody that started literally crying just from me wearing a MAGA hat. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. I will see you guys back here in a few days with a brand new video. Until then, I love you, love yourselves. Keep calling out the bullshit.